Amazing facts you might not know about dogs, Part 8 of 20. Welcome to the Unique Dog Facts series channel. Whether your dog is young or old, these amazing facts will amaze you. Number 1, dogs have 1,700 taste buds, compared to humans' 9,000. Number 2, Bichons, Portuguese water dogs, Kerry Blue Terriers, Maltese and Poodles are among some of the best choices for people with allergies. Number 3, about 63.4 million households in the US have a dog. Number 4, the average number of puppies in a litter is about 5. Number 5, there are nearly 14,000 animal shelters and rescue groups in the US. Thanks for your precious time. Please click the description below for more dog facts.